I'm back again with a brand new wig styling video. So I'll be curling this beautiful like ombre, has like some dark highlight tones, some lighter tones, beautiful wig, okay? I'm super excited to try this on me and curl it up, but it is from DIVASWIGS. I have worked with DIVASWIGS in the past on two other colored wigs. Yes, two other colored wigs. I had like a blonde, like Beyonce looking one, and then I also had a burgundy one. So the quality of the hair is great, of course, or I would not be working with them again. I still have my DIVASWIGS and they're still very wearable. I've had them for over a year and I love it. So today I will be styling this one. I'll have it linked down below so you guys can purchase it. And I will just be sharing with you guys me curling up this wig. I'm super excited to try it on me. When I first got it, I was like, ooh la la, let's see how this looks. But all that I've done so far is really just accentuated the middle part of this wig. And I put on my gel like I always do, and I put sprayed water on it. So you guys see it has a nice ombre transition here from the black to that lighter color. And yeah, I put it in the middle part because I just rocked the middle part. The ombre does gradate and start at the same point on each side, which is about the temples. And it's just all dark here, and then it just gets lighter all around. So yeah, I'm going to put this wig on. I'm super duper excited. What I always do is latch these bottom latches to like the tightest latch possible. And you guys know, if you have this wig or if you have wigs, I always have to latch it to the tightest one. And I'll show you what I mean. But that's the first step to this wig. So you see, I just latch that to the tightest one so it has a nice firm fit on my head. Now, this wig does come with 4 clips, so you can make it super secure. My favorite wigs come with 4 clips always. And these latches are not going anywhere because it has nice security. That's why it's not going to be able to slip out at all. So you guys see I latched it to the tightest one, which is on this bottom clip here. So we have 2 clips on the side. We have a clip up here at the top, and we have a clip at the bottom. So I have right now on my wig cap my elastic wig band, and we're just going to put this directly on. I'm super duper excited. It's laying super duper flat for this middle part. So I'm going to lay it down how I want it, and then first put in that first middle clip, because that's like the hardest clip to put on sometimes. If you put on the other clips first, then pull it down and on your head. I always put the back clip in last, so I'm going to put in this first side clip here. I have all the specs and everything of this wig listed in the description box. Has such a beautiful fit. I'm going to put in this other side clip here. Okay. And then I'm going to put in finally my back clip. And all of the clips are in super secure, no pain or anything. And it just feels really secure on my head. So with this color on me, I definitely feel like it is one that I have to curl on me. But the parting space is already perfect. Oopsies. I'm not even going to pluck or anything. The parting space is perfect on this wig. This is definitely a wig that I have to style on me. So that is why I'm curling it up so the brown blends and it just is all curled really, really nicely. Alright y'all, but the lace is laying super duper flat on my head. Literally super nice, this lace. You guys can see. Only thing that's showing is that black elastic band because I put that there. But other than that, you guys see how flat this is laying. So the wig lace is amazing. I'm going to go in and cover it up a little bit. So I'm going to take the pressed powder in my shade now. And I use pressed powder for this step. And I'm just going to put the pressed powder all along this wig lining to cover up my black elastic band I have on underneath my wig for extra security. And this is all you need to do. It literally looks perfect. The spacing is perfect. I love a wig where I literally do not have to do anything. You guys know those are my favorite ones. I do not like to pluck. All I like to do is get my wig, create my part, okay, and call it a day. And that is what you can do with this one. Look at how flat and natural that lays. Wow, perfect. You guys see how natural? Can't even tell it's a wig. Love it. Wow, love it. Okay. I love a wig where I literally do not have to do anything. You guys know. And I'm just going to get to straightening. Curling. I think that this will look really great curls on me. I'm about to lower this a little bit. And get to curling. So I'm going to start. Oh, first I'm going to take out my earrings. I feel like the hoop earrings are going to get in the way. It has a beautiful density to it. You guys see? And I wanted to try a different look, get out of my comfort zone, because you guys know I'm always doing just strictly like black wigs. So I was like, okay, let me get something a little bit different and out of my comfort zone. I thought that there would be a little bit more of the darker highlights on top, but it's like the darker is focused on the bottom. So that is why I'm going to just curl this up. But the hair feels very, very nice. It is human hair. I'll list all the specs and details in the description box, as well as a link to this wig. So I'm going to curl up this wig all the way. Girl, who she thinks she is? Beyonce? Hey. Okay, you guys, after I've curled it, it looks so cute. Oh my, I love this color. So, so cute. I'm not even gonna touch the curls until I'm finished with this side, but I'm trying to make it like super like voluminous and just a pretty bouncy curl before I run my fingers through it. All right, you guys, so I just finished curling up this side. So you guys can tell this side is like a lot more curlier and then this side dropped a little bit. So I'm just going to leave it alone before I even brush out the curls at all. I will share with you guys the packaging. And I also wanted to note that even though this hair is colored, it still feels very soft and moisturized, and it still feels literally very, very nice. So it's not damaged or anything, so that is very important, especially when it comes to getting colored hair. But I'm about to put back in my earrings, because y'all know Y'all know me and my hoops. Like, what am I going to do without it? But yeah, I'm just gonna wait for this side to drop a little. And I'm so excited to run my fingers through it. Like, that is the moment of truth right there. But yeah, so here's the packaging. It came in gorgeous packaging. I'm very impressed. So here is it. I'll just close it up really quick. So it says DIVASWIGS since 2012. So then it also came this DIVASWIGS, it says, and it has just what it is. So here it goes. It says the hair length is 22 inches. It's Brazilian virgin hair. The color is the same as picture. 180% density. A pre-plucked hairline, which I can sell. Okay. The lace color I got was medium brown. And then this is a full lace glueless cap. The cap size I got is petite, so it's gonna fit really, really nice and snug on my head. And it's perfect. It fits my head literally perfect. And I got petite. So the style of this and all the links will be down below. And they have all different hair types. It talks about how to sleep in it, cutting excess lace, wig care, pressing, shedding. This comes in handy. It just really teaches you how to care for the wig. I love when they do that. Came with this awesome DIVASWIGS brush, which is gold and white. Like, let's get it. You guys see it says DIVASWIGS, has the logo on it. Super nice brush. And then it has DIVASWIGS. It comes in this really nice silk little bag, which is nice just to have. Like, literally, you could just keep this. Look at how just like real nice the quality is. And then it also gives you a weaving cap. So this is a weaving cap for if you sew your wigs on. So yeah, guys, you can curl this hair, straighten this hair, do whatever you want with this. I'm so happy with it though. I just feel like a diva. I'm a diva, eh? I'm a diva, eh? So awesome. Here's the length on me. You guys see it's super long. And I'm rocking it. Ah! All right, so I will have the link down below. I love this DIVASWIGS. They have so many different wigs too with so many different colors. The density is fantastic and the color is just glowing. We have the lighter tones in it, the darker tones in it. I'm super happy, seriously, and the curls look fantastic. I wanted this like big, voluminous diva curl. Subscribe for more hairstyling videos, hair tutorials, makeup tutorials, and so many more videos on my channel. And turn on my upload notifications. Go in the comments down below and let me know what y'all think of this wig or what your favorite colors of wigs are. And I'll try to get that color next wig review. And I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.